aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. We're coming up to our bypass here. We'll be holding our bypass for a few minutes. We have our jazz band, 5 and Dime, on their way. We'll be holding here for them to pass by us. And once they pass by us, we'll be waiting for our sister trolley to make it to Hollywood Station. After that, we'll be on our way, but we once again do appreciate your patience. Over to the left-hand side, that's going to be the animation building. Inside there, plenty of things to do, including Turtles Aqua Crush, a very funny show, as well as Animation Academy, where you can learn how to draw the Disney way. It will teach you step by step. And you can become an artist yourself. The next one's going to be at 4:30. It'll be Mike Wazowski. Probably won't make that one, but at 5 o'clock there's that Jack Skellington. And 5:30, Lightning McQueen. To our right is Hollywood Studios. There, Monsters Inc. Mike and Sully to the rescue. Take a cab right through Monstropolis. Oh, Mike and Sully, so boo. Also back there, the Hollywood Lounge. And right next to us, of course, is the Choosies. Well, tonight, California Adventure will be open until 10 p.m. We do have 2 World of Color shows. The first will be at 9 p.m. and the second at 10:15. And it looks like I hear 5 and Dime now coming around the corner. Feel free to give them a wave. Just make sure you keep your hands and arms inside the trolley. They'll be coming up here to the left side of the trolley. Boulevard will be departing very shortly. That trolley is 717. We are 623. The significance of those numbers are, for them anyway, that is the opening day of Disneyland, July 17th, 717. And for us, the 6 and 63 stands for the 600 series of Red Car Trolley, which this one is based off of. And the 23 is for the year that Walt Disney arrived in California.
I used to think there were 2 festivals.
Over here.
No, stop.
JJ? JP?
Noah? Stop. That's how you do school, right? When you're trying to stop catching the stuff catching the way. Okay, let's get a trolley. Way 5.
Alright, just make sure everyone's sitting all the way down as we are departing. Thank you. You're clear.
So,
everybody on the bottom.
all the way.
Oh, he can be on the left. Thank you.
Tonight, Mars is going to take the rain that's going to be inside.
Alright. Thanks again. Off we go over to the right-hand side coming up. That's going to be Mickey's Film Our Magic, a 3D show. You can watch Mickey as he travels through different films and songs. And that show runs about every 15 minutes up until 9 p.m. tonight. And also to the right, it's going to be award winners. Nod to the older hot dog place in Los Angeles, the Kinks. And believe it or not, Carl's Jr., they actually started off selling hot dogs. On the left is Disney Jr., though they haven't concluded all shows for today. We're going to be here tomorrow, and we'll have several. Great place for little ones to get some energy out, dance around with Mickey, Minnie, and some of the others from the Disney show. And with that, we head into Carthay Circle. We'll take a listen to 5 and 9.
That's in an hour.
It's nighttime.
Maybe that's in an hour.
It's when it gets dark outside.
Wait, so sorry will be up until like this.
It's dark enough.
Down Winnebago Street, our idealized version of 1920s Los Angeles.
Over there.
Left,
Get the hat.
Trolley Street, our celebrities, Mickey Mouse. All right, well, for those park hopping over to Disneyland, we're leaving for the day. This is your closest station to do that. It's your closest station as well for downtown Disney and the hotels. As we arrive here, we ask that you remain fully seated until the trolley stops. The doors have opened and the lights have turned on. At that point, it is safe to exit. Thank you for joining us on the Red Car Trolley.
You want a TV here?
Hope you enjoy the rest of your day here.
But if it wasn't tied to your channel, then
JC, just like yesterday. We're going to go with Mommy or Abba. I know, remember yesterday with Mommy? I know, buddy, we have to. Because we're not going to stop on the way home.
Watch your step.
To go pee and you haven't done pee